Henex Guangzhou Technology Company Limited is located in the National High-Tech Development Zone Yunpu Industrial Park, Huangpu District, Guangzhou, China. We are a high-tech enterprise specializing in the research, development, manufacture, sales, and application of barcode scanning equipment and automatic identification products. We provide worldwide customers with Henex brand and OEM ODM products of barcode scanners. Our main products include 2D desktop barcode scanners, 2D wired wireless barcode scanners, and barcode scanner engine modules. In addition to our existing products, we are making great efforts to develop new products, like the wearable barcode scanner H500 and the data collector H4, H5, to meet different requirements. With over 6 years of experience in the barcode scanner manufacturing industry, our company is dedicated to strict quality control, innovative technology, and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We have also obtained FCC, CE, BIS, UKCA, and ISO certifications. Selling well throughout China, our products are also exported to clients in Southeast Asia, Eastern Europe, Central Europe, Western Europe, Southern Europe, and America. Whether you're selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our sales teams about your sourcing requirements.